Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your glider in Fisch. To begin, ensure your glider is equipped in an accessible slot, often a quick-use item slot. Gliders are invaluable tools for traversing vast distances and safely navigating treacherous terrain. They offer a unique advantage for exploring hidden areas and reaching elevated platforms that are otherwise inaccessible. Understanding the fundamentals will significantly improve your gameplay experience. Deploying your glider is straightforward. First, find a suitable elevated position, like a cliff edge or tall structure. Then, simply jump off and, while still in the air, press the specific button assigned to glider deployment. This action will instantly unfurl your glider, allowing you to begin your descent or glide across the landscape. Practice this a few times to get the timing just right. Once airborne, controlling your glider is intuitive. Use your standard movement keys or joystick to steer your character in the desired direction. Looking down will increase your speed and descent rate, while looking up will slow your descent and extend your glide distance. Remember, gliders rely on gravity, so a slight downward angle is often necessary to maintain forward momentum and cover more ground. For a smooth landing, aim for a flat area and gradually reduce your altitude. Release the glider activation button just before your feet touch the surface to prevent fall damage. A good rule of thumb is to deploy your glider from at least 10 meters high for optimal control. Always be mindful of your surroundings and potential obstacles during your flight path to ensure a safe and successful journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.